Let's talk about soulmates. We know that soulmates can be platonic or romantic, but let's focus on romantic partners for now. There's the soulmate, the twin flame, and the karmic relationship. Let's unpack them quickly. Your first love is your soulmate. This is a gifting relationship. That's the individual that introduced you to love. You are likely to have encountered that person during the earliest stages of your life. Most people will not marry their soulmates. In most cases, while the pair have a strong desire for each other, their union just doesn't work out. This is one of those relationships people try to make work repeatedly before calling it quits. Another gifting relationship is your high-level soulmate or your twin flame. You've probably heard the term thrown around like yet another trend. The twin flame relationship is not about romance. Though the pair experience a strong magnetic pull between them, and yes, they do share a lot of passion, this relationship is about the greatest good. That's the power couple dynamics many of us are glamorizing. This connection is a spiritual union and comes with many challenges. There's the runner-chaser dynamics at play here, where the masculine chases the feminine and the feminine the masculine. This dynamic goes on for a while until the universe, God, your higher self separates the two because one or both of their vibrational frequencies are too low to remain in union. During separation, the pair are challenged to raise their vibrational frequencies in order to come back into union, becoming the catalyst for each other's healing. The feminine typically leads out on this part of the journey. Her high vibrational energy then attracts the masculine back to her. This is the part of the journey that most people give up on because sometimes too much damage has been done and one or both parties give up on the journey. But this journey teaches the pair many lessons such as love for self, unconditional love for each other, and love for humanity. Typically, someone on a twin flame journey does not want to be on one. It's a very difficult journey to master. Think of it as God's sense of humor pairing a good girl with a street boy. Most twin flames will not come into union in this lifetime because we all have free will and can choose our own paths. People that desire a twin flame relationship don't truly understand the depth and purpose of those relationships. Twin flame relationships are tumultuous and require a lot of soul searching for the twins to come into eternal union. This process becomes the mitochondrial function that carries out a divinely guided mission. However, most people move on after their healing and they learn to find contentment in loving their twin from afar. And then there's the karmic relationship. Most of us are in karmic partnerships and have encountered many karmic relationships throughout our lives. For most of us, we will marry our karmic, and yes, we are theirs. These relationships do not last. They are not meant to be forever. A karmic partner or spouse is your karma. They exist to teach you lessons that help to improve your soul. That's your Bonnie and Clyde relationship. You do low vibrational things together. The relationship is toxic, but you hold on to it because it's in your comfort zone. You know what you will get every time, but this relationship doesn't support your growth. This relationship is fueled by ego and not love. What will people think? How will that make me look? What about all the work I've put in? I'll be damned if you end up with someone else. There's no respect or boundaries in these relationships, and a strong karmic connection between the two exists. The parties have insatiable desires, so they miss the mark in trying to meet each other's needs, regardless of how much effort they put into the relationship. It's because their souls are not at ease. Where there's a twin flame relationship, you are likely to find karmic partnerships. Karmic relationships are comfort zone relationships that have nothing to do with the heart, and the thought of walking away may bring about feelings of guilt for you. Regardless of what you believe, remember to focus on your purpose, not the person. The universe, God, will provide the partner that will align with the greatest good, where the two of you can operate in your North Node, a path of purpose. Love and light, friends.